Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix PayPal can't transfer your money. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're having problems with transferring your money here in PayPal and you're getting the notification that you can't transfer this as of this moment, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access your wallet or your payment details or your payment accounts. So, in this case, go to paypal.com, log in into your account, go to wallet, and you want to go and access all of your payment details. Now, if you have a card in here, you want to make sure that your card is still valid or is still working. Check the expiration date and see if it's actually still active. Now, if it's expired, that's the cause why you aren't able to make your transfer. Now, if you have a bank account, just make sure that your bank account is fully connected. In some cases, bank accounts may disconnect themselves automatically from your PayPal account. So if that's the case, go and remove your bank account here and basically click on the link a bank option and re-link the bank account to your PayPal account. Now, once you've done that, try the transaction again and see if that works. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to update or make sure your information is properly set up. So in some cases, let's just say some information change about yourself, like your contact details, your email address, or even your name. Well, in this case, you want to make sure that also reflects into your PayPal account. Now, if your PayPal account has a different name and your bank account also has a different name, well, there's a huge possibility that your bank would reject the connection or the transaction because your name on your PayPal account should match what's included in your bank account or your MasterCard or your card here. So in this case, at the top right of the screen, go and click on the gear icon next to the logo button here, and you want to go to your accounts and just make sure that your email, your name, your contact details, and even your address are properly set up. Now, you may want to also provide your IDs and basically make sure everything is up to date. Now, once you've done that, see if that actually solves the issue. Now, sometimes it may take around 24 to 48 hours in order for the issue to be resolved once you've updated your information, but that should be it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.